Of course I am.
You see this pretty rock?
Oh, you just uncovered itself in the mud?
Yep.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh wow, that's cool looking. Alright, while Bianca plays in the mud, I get to go play in the clay. We had to bring out the big guns for these holes, if you believe it. We tried a post hole digger mounted to the tractor. We even tried a manual post hole digger by hand. We tried a breaker bar. Nothing's working. So, it's backhoe time. It's gonna make the holes way bigger, but we gotta get them done somehow. This stuff is just pure clay at the bottom. I'm interested to see how big of a pocket of clay it is, and I can just start scooping some into buckets for Bianca. I guess she's gonna play around trying to make some stuff with it. Whew, man, got one hole dug. It has taken a long time. This soil is ridiculously hard. You can see those scratch marks on the side there. I don't really feel too bad anymore that I couldn't get it with the drill. So, you know, 1 down, 6 to go. That's more like it. It's about 3 feet deep. Because you're like 5 feet tall, right? Oh! 5 foot, half an inch? Hey, sweetie, can you say hi?
Me.
You want to say hi? Are you too shy? You can't be that shy. Come on now. Who's that cute girl on the screen? Is that you? What's the height, Bia? Depth?
About an inch short of 3 feet.
An inch short of 3. That's the sand that I put on the bottom of the hole to make it flat.
Probably.
Well, great. That's cool. 3 feet in, 5 up. It's not the best, but it's better than 2 feet in.
3 feet in is better than our frost line, which is 2.5 feet.
Oh yeah. No, it's like 2 feet here. 18 inches.
Oh yeah,
18-inch frost line here. Yeah, double the frost line. I think we're good on that. Okay, so oh! I saw someone rubbing their eyes. Do you need another nap already?
No, Dad, I'm just waking up.
What's up? You want to run around?
Of course. What kind of question is that?
Hi, sweetie pie. You enjoying just chilling here, huh? Wow, you're strong. It's bigger than you are, sweetie. Probably weighs more, actually. Oh, thank you. Geez, you know, the wind we've had has totally undid the hole that I drilled. I guess I gotta knock this stuff out in the same day. So I'm gonna roll the backhoe to this hole and redo it. Whoa! That's my toddler trap. I gotcha. You need some help out? Whoa, watch yourself, little one. Come on. You got it. Whoop. Okay, let's do this. What the heck is that?
Pretty rocks. Very vibrant colors.
Here, let me see that closer thing.
Just taking some of the rocks out of my clay.
Cool. Another one dug. Hope it's deep enough. That's quitting time for me. Time to go and have some dinner. We'll have at it tomorrow. This yard's definitely taking a lot longer than I thought it would, but it'll get there. It'll be nice because then the dogs can just run around like crazy people, along with my daughter. Oh, it's going to be another glorious sunset.